In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and deploy your first AI app with Lovable.dev, no code needed. Start by opening your browser and heading to Lovable.dev. This platform turns a plain English idea into a working AI-powered website or application without writing code. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prompt area where the magic happens. That first prompt sets the direction for your entire build. So take a moment to be specific and clear about what you want. Type your prompt with purpose. Describe who the app is for, the core problem it solves, and the features you absolutely need. Mention the style or tone if that matters, like clean, professional, or playful. You can also outline example inputs and expected outputs to anchor the AI. For instance, a simple AI assistant that helps freelancers draft invoices, suggests line items based on project descriptions, and exports to PDF, include a dashboard, a form to add clients, and a dark theme. Avoid vague words like nice or advanced without context, and don't include any private data or credentials. When your prompt feels precise, submit it and let Lovable generate your first version. When the draft loads, explore it like a real user. Click through the pages, try any forms or buttons, and check that navigation makes sense. Does the layout look consistent? Are texts readable and aligned with your brand tone? Test a couple of realistic scenarios to confirm the app responds the way you expect. If something feels off, refine your prompt with concrete adjustments, such as make the hero section shorter, rename invoice to billing, or add a confirmation message after submission. Small, targeted edits help the generator converge on your vision quickly. Once you're happy with the design and functionality, think of it as production ready. Do a quick pass for responsiveness by resizing your browser window, skim for typos or placeholder text, and verify that essential flows are solid end to end. Keep the scope focused on the must-haves for this first release. You can always enhance later. When you're ready to go live, look to the upper left corner and click Publish. Lovable will package your project and deploy it, then provide a public link you can share immediately. Open that link to confirm everything looks right in a fresh tab, and keep it handy for teammates or clients. That's it. Your first AI app built and deployed with no code. Congratulations, and enjoy iterating as you gather feedback and grow your idea.